Okay, guys, thanks for joining us here in the charts. You're tuned into the Crypto Flight Edition. It is your fellow passenger stopping, and we have some interesting details on the Clever KLV USDT. This is the Bittrex chart. We're going to explore some lines, and I found a consolidation range, and also it's like a consolidation range, and also just a sideways consolidation range potentially before this cryptocurrency breaks out once again. So I have those details for you. So if you like to stick around with us to hear that, go ahead and stick around. Let's loyal subscribers, welcome back. If you're new here, consider joining us with that subscribe button. So let's go ahead and dive right into the charts here, shall we? All right, so today's March the 21st, 2021, and the current price in the cryptocurrency is going to be 13 cents. It's up approximately 9.2% for the day. I was only able to find this on like Bittrex and KuCoin, so I'm not sure, guys, if you can, I guess, speak amongst yourselves and let everyone know where you can buy this, and of course, verify that information at your own leisure. So here's what I found, ladies and gentlemen. All right, that's it. Really simple, actually. What you're witnessing on the screen is just kind of an inverted dome formation, or like just a curvature formation where this cryptocurrency just kind of consolidated below within this pattern, and it appears that there has been an official breakout. It's a very extreme breakout also, I must add. So let's really do a quick measurement on the time. Let's see here, around September the 5th, 2020, and it appears that the official breakout happened over here near the February the 26th-ish, 2021. Just kind of a rough numbers, guys. Let's see what we have. 178 days. So, I mean, it's not like a ton of time, but I think it's enough for this cryptocurrency to break out, obviously. So it's gone up. Let's do a really quick measurement. Wow, this is a pretty exponential move. Let's see if I can get like a rough estimate of how much this cryptocurrency has gone up. Let's see. So it's reached a total of 2,907% gain to the upside, approximately. I'm sure that number may vary. Again, this is the Bittrex chart. Now, these are the 12-hour candles. This will be a short video, guys. Right now, what I'm looking at is a potential consolidation range, okay? So this range will extend from 0.8 cents. So let's call it like 8.2 cents right down here. And the top of this range is going to be at 14 cents. Okay, so that's a pretty large range before this cryptocurrency breaks out. Is it going to break out right now? Well, I'm actually not sure, but let's just see if we can do a really quick measurement in terms of how high it could go. Guys, I'd use my traditional Fibonacci retracement tool. So I know this is probably not how it's supposed to go, but this is the only reference point that I can go off of right now. So what we're going to do is go measure from the highest point that we can measure is at 0.14 cents, and then what I do is I measure it from the lowest verifiable retracement, which could be identified here at like 7.7 cents. And let's just get our fib. I love my Fibonacci retracement, guys. It's so beautiful. All right, so here it is right here. If I can calm down with this Fibonacci retracement tool, put it there, and then we're gonna put it up to the point. I normally go by the again, the traditional markets. You're supposed to do this in the traditional markets, but it's worked sometimes. Sometimes it actually obliterates this level. But let's just get to the target here. So that's gonna be up at 16 cents. I mean, I'm sure, guys, it's probably gonna like literally explode through that level. But that's the area that I was able to find from my traditional way of looking at cryptocurrency graphs. And of course, this isn't how you're supposed to do this. So that's like a 20% move to the upside, like 21%. So, of course, if you are entertaining any positions in this market, please don't use this as financial advice. Just a very interesting reference if you're looking to play the market. If you're long-term investing, that's just a reference point for you there. And, of course, please be responsible out here in these markets. Be sure that you are executing your strategies. Know where you're going to enter, exit, and take a stop loss if the market goes against you. And I think that pretty much wraps up this episode for Clever. Not really much in terms of what else I'm seeing. So let's say if you see remember, I look at 12-hour candles, right? So if you see a candle break above and stay above the 14 cent level, if I can kind of give you a little bit more numbers, it's like 14.13, so something like that, right? It's kind of weird, guys. If it's above that level and it's staying above that level, then it's likely it's trying to officially break out. You see that? See, the sellers they know that the sellers. I don't know if you've seen that red candle as it kind of went down. It's at a range where the sellers realize if they let the buyers break above the top of this box, it's likely going to have an official breakout, and the buyers are going to seize that opportunity to commit to buying up a specific amount of cryptocurrencies, and hopefully they have good intentions and they'll actually hold on to those cryptocurrencies as they push the price to the upside if this cryptocurrency is going to break out officially to the upside, and of course find a new range to consolidate in preparation to make its next move in the market. Guys, I always want to explain that it's always in between buyers and sellers. Okay, that's the only thing that I specialize in. I do the best that I can, right? I'm not perfect. I don't get it right, excuse me, all the time, but it's only it's a behavior between buyers and sellers. And right now, the seller's obligation is to protect the top of this line so the buyers do not break out of this potential consolidation range that I think I have located. Okay, so you have the level that the sellers need to protect overhead, but if the buyers are able to get above that level and stay above, it's likely they're going to try to seize that opportunity to continue the overall momentum that we've just verified. It is clearly like blasting off to the upside. I mean, this looks crazy, right? I mean, look at this large move to the upside from the breakout, guys. This is really, really awesome. Congratulations to everyone who actually participated in this market. Let me know down in the comment section how many of you have actually participated in Clever in the Clever in the USDT pairing. Okay, so that pretty much wraps up the episode. You have the range. If I had to give like a time frame on this, unfortunately I don't really have a time frame because it's such a new cryptocurrency and it's so hard to measure. Let's do this. Let's measure how long it's been within this potential consolidation range. So we'll start from the March the 9th, 2021's candle, and then we'll just kind of bring it on over to present day to see how much time that is and see if we can kind of understand something here. Okay, so 12 days and like 12 hours so far it's been within this range, so it's a very new range. So I mean, if it breaks out great to the upside, that's fine. You have the overhead target, but if it decides to not break out just yet, I guess I can do something. The only thing, like literally I only put like lines on the chart, guys. I find ascending lines of support, descending lines of resistance. Is like, it's super simple. I mean, and again, it's not always 100% correct. I know you have to factor in other things, but of course this is my way of looking at it. Okay, so let's just say it kind of comes up, and right now it's kind of attempting to break out above the top of this resistance line where the sellers are trying to protect that line. And let's see if we can get a time. So if the market has not broken above the level that we've gone over at, like, what did it say, 13 cents, what did I say, like 14 cents. If it has not broken above that level, what I'll do is I'll just take like this area here as a reference point. This would be identified as a financial support line. So we should have a break up if the market has not gotten below this ascending support, financial support line. So what I do is I just kind of point at this little area here to determine a time frame. Okay, so let's just say by March the 24th, 2021, if Clever has not broken above that 14 cent level that we've already discussed, then it's likely the sellers are going to make an attempt to kind of cool off this market so that this cryptocurrency can actually cool off and find an alternative financial support line, if that makes sense. Okay, so yeah, so this is ascending line was able to give me that day at about March the 24th. Okay, March the 24th, 2021. Yeah, if it hasn't broken above, then it's likely that the market is not mature enough to continue to blast off basically to the upside, and it's just going to seek an alternative financial support if it breaks below this ascending line right here. So that's all I have for you, wonderful folks. Hopefully this was useful. If you're new here, if we have earned your subscription by this video, we'd love for you to join us here. Like, I'm not sure if you're into traditional stocks, but we go over that throughout the week. So we'd love for you to join us here. Hit that subscribe button and we'll send you that information when it's available. Be sure to hit all. So that's it, guys. Take care of yourselves. Hopefully you're doing well. Protect your portfolios. We're going to talk very soon, and bye for now.